guys, how you doing? My name is Sal, and out here in Mexico, I'm gonna share with you how to sign up in the property robots. Okay, our company here in Camhirst 3DCP has been booming, and it's just everything is just set up, everything is ready. The offices in Manchester are just working so amazingly. So just gonna share with you the two ways that we can make money here, especially with the leasing plan and also with the founders club plan, which is very limited now. Okay, I'm gonna explain with you how to do it. So you're gonna see this little note right here that you are watching in my screen. You're gonna see it in the you can read it in the description of the video. Okay, so pretty much what you do is just read the beginning and just copy this link. If you are using your smartphone, you can just click on it and it's just gonna direct you to to the page where we're gonna sign in. Okay, in the first when the first you sign up and everything, you're gonna see this screen. Okay, that's why we have for security this GoDaddy website password, which is gonna be written down here in the description, like I said, and you just copy and paste it right here. Click enter, and then you're gonna be here in this section where you're gonna be able to see my name, Saul Alonso. It's a pleasure for me to be your sponsor. And then you're gonna put your full name right here, male or female, your email, all right, your phone number with the area code, your city, very important, your country, and create a password, and a strong one, and remember that one. All right, then confirm your password and then agree with terms and conditions. Okay. So once you do that, you're gonna receive an email confirmation with the keys, right, for your account. So pretty much right here I already have mine. Okay, after you sign in with the company, right, through this link, you're just gonna go to this sign into your account page where you're gonna put your ambassador number, which you're gonna get in your email, and just write down your password and click and log in. Okay, you're gonna be seeing this area right here. All right, this is the next screen. Okay, the company have sent me already a one of those OTP password. Is every time that you want to sign in or join into your back office, you're gonna require this OTP, all right, for security purposes. So pretty much here you got it right there. You see, this is the login OTP, okay, which is a special password. All right, and then you put your password right here. I'm gonna put mine. Okay, and then once you have the password again and your OTP, then you click on validate OTP. Perfect. You see right there, I recommend you, if you are doing it from your computer, not to keep this password for security purposes. So here you're gonna see the back office, and if you want to start making money with the company, okay, remember you can click here in add fund, and this is the first thing you gotta do. Okay, you click the amount. Minimum is just $100. Let's suppose that you start with $100 and you click on submit. You're gonna get redirected with the Coinbase Commerce. All right, it doesn't really matter if you don't have Coinbase account, but if you do, you can just link it and just click here. It says pay with Coinbase, and then it's gonna take you to the page in Coinbase. You sign in and then do the rest of the stuff. But let's suppose that you want to pay with Bitcoin, which I recommend you highly. Okay, just click on Bitcoin right there, and you're gonna see right there the QR code, which you from your phone you can actually just screen it, right, and scan it, and then it's gonna take exactly the same amount right here that you can see in Satoshis, and also the right wallet address. Okay, you do it from your phone. But if you do not, then just copy the address and then go to the to whatever wallet you have. Okay, it could be, I don't know, Binance or Bitso or any other wallet that you may have. All right, it's an exchange. So just pretty much you have a second and limit here. All right, you have some minutes. So you gotta do this transaction in this amount of time. Okay, so when you do that, then the payment is just gonna be taken by the system, and another page is gonna be confirming you this this transaction. Okay, that's how you pretty much do it. And as soon as the company gets the information from you, then guess what, your payment is going to be secured and you're going to receive an email confirmation for that. Okay, that is in regards the first system that we have in order to make money with Camhirst. Okay, so now the second way to make money is called the Founders Club membership. Okay, so when you do this, you gotta come over here. All this information, you're gonna see it in the it's gonna be available in the comments, okay, in the description of the video. So for that, you just gotta click here, okay, where it says use this link to join the Founders Club program, and then you just pretty much copy and paste it. If you are in your computer, you're in your phone, you just click on the link. It's just gonna take you right here. Okay, you just create a username, your email, first name, last name, password, confirm the password, put your phone number with area code, and put your city right here. Okay, accept terms and conditions. And very, very important, guys. Okay, especially if you want to recruit other people as well. Okay, so you're gonna just pretty much use the link from the person that actually invited you. Okay, that's why here the instruction says when you get required for the referral link, use this one, please. Okay, you just pretty much copy and paste it right here. Okay, that's actually the link from the person that invited you to the program. It doesn't matter that if you click on it, it's just not gonna be registered right there. You gotta put it here again and then click in register. Okay, once you do that, then you're gonna be taken to this other page where you're gonna put your username, okay, your password. You're gonna be able to log in um, into your founder's account. Okay, we're gonna see how to do that. Okay, here we go. So once you are inside your back office in the Founders Club position, remember this is a special limited Founders Club position, guys. Okay, it's a membership that is not for everyone, just for the first 1,500 people that actually took action on this. Okay, I did it. Okay, since May 15, and I'm so grateful for this because the company are gonna give you these benefits. Just watch. Okay, give me one sec. The company is gonna give you this amazing benefits. Okay, free 50,000 CAM3 DCP tokens. Remember, this is very, very little in value right now, but in the meantime, in the coming years ahead, it's just going to increase in value. Okay, so we are into the blockchain technology as well. Free access to Camhirst 3 DCP events all over the world. Enjoy a private tour to our UK factory. Okay, discount and early access to selected developments, free prize draw entry to win a house built by our 3DCP robot. And this is very, very important, guys. 7.5% share of global profit amongst limited club members every 3 months. What do you think? It's amazing, okay? Because the company is going to be it's a multi-billion company. So remember that, okay? It's very, very important just to be aware of these benefits because it's just great, guys. I mean, just gonna do a little quick math right here, just for you to see the potential of this great, great company. So let's suppose that the company reach, in fact, this $1 billion, all right? So this money, remember, is gonna be shared the 7.5%, okay? Every 3 months to the 1,500 members. Okay, we still have less than 200 positions left. That's why this is very, very important, just to put attention on this, because it's going to be just one time for everybody who took action. Is going to be very grateful the rest of the life. All right. So let's suppose that right here we have the $1 billion. So let's take the 7.5%. You see, we're talking about $75 million divided by 1,500 right there. I'm so excited. This is how you're gonna get, 50,000 bucks just without doing nothing. This is like a royalty money, okay, for every single member of this paid lifetime membership. Okay, guys, so this is pretty much how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Here in this little section right here in the description of this video, you're gonna see also the video tutorial. Okay, you're gonna see a video tutorial, obviously, and the full business presentation for the first leasing program. And also down here below, you're gonna see the same thing, the tutorial, how to sign in and everything, and for the full business presentation in YouTube. Okay, so this is how you do it, guys. Thank you. So grateful for you to watch this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.